Wait.
Hello everyone, this wall switch in front of you is connected to the light at the top. When I press the switch, the light won't turn on at all, and the switch feels hard when pressed. This means the switch is damaged. Let's go straight to the repair method.
First, turn off the MCB switch on the electrical meter. Second, open the switch ball cover. And now we can remove the switch from the wall.
Third, remove the cables connected to the connector on the switch. 4. Loosen the connector bolts. 5. Connect the cable to the connector and tighten the bolt using a screwdriver.
6. Tidy up or bend the cable so that the switch can be attached to the wall.
7. Tighten the wall locking bolt on the switch using a screwdriver. 8. Turn the MCB switch back on. After finishing, let's try it, and the result is that the light comes back on as before.
I just had to let you know you're